what's up guys? Today I received 4 more GPUs for 4 XLR 8 1660 Supers from PNY. Got 4 more again. I like those, they're pretty quiet. They run at 31.70 something mega hashes. So I'm gonna try to continue getting those. And I'm going to be getting rid of these guys. I actually moved this one. Removed one of these and put this one in here, the 1660s. It's not a super, it's a MSI 1660. I just put this one in to remove one of the slower cards. So I'm gonna try to get rid of these, sell these. If not, I'm gonna be putting these on the 5th rig, which is the frame should be coming in, I guess probably in a week or so. But I'm gonna be doing some moving around as far as this rig is, and possibly removing one of these, the one that I have here, which is another PNY 1660 Super, and move it up here. So that'll give me 5, right? Yeah, 516 PNY 1660 Supers. I'm gonna be putting those 4 up here, taking 4 of these off, possibly 5 maybe, and take this one from down here and moving it up here. That's a possibility, and possibly moving one of these down there for now. And these I'm gonna just put them on standby on the side until I get the new frame. But then again, right. So until I get the new frame, and then I'll just end up putting those there until I can get rid of these that I have for sale here. So once I do that, I'm gonna end up trying to get more of these guys over here and throw these into this rig here. So that's what I'm pretty much gonna do today. Just move those guys. Also, I received this. I bought this kilowatt, so I can measure how much power is being drawn out. We'll be able to tell how much power is being drawn out of pretty much each rig or the whole set of rigs. So I kind of wanted to, jot that down, how much power am I using, so I don't want to overload the whole thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Well, I'm just going to put the risers on these and start moving things around. Alright, so pretty much what it looks like. I have to remove this little plastic film here, protective film. This is, I guess, protected from scratching up during transport or whatever. So I just gotta remove this off like that. And I'm gonna put one of these splitters. I'm gonna add a splitter to it. And I'm gonna add a riser in the packaging if I can get it off using one hand. So I'm gonna add the riser to it with the cable. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, let me see if I can do this with one hand. I doubt it. Okay, but try. So it has this little locking thing here. So you just slip it in the connector right there, push it down like that, and you just pretty much lock it in. So that's locked in, and you put one of these cables and the splitter cable. So on this side is only 6 pins on the riser. So what I do is so I just gotta remove one, push one of these to the side, like slip it up and push it to the side, because I'm only using 3. Let me see if I can do this one hand here, and then I lock this in. See if I can put it, hold up, I gotta get it in focus. Okay, so just lock it in there. Okay, And then the 4-pin one on the top, over here, there's the 4-pin one. Goes right on the top. Right there. Okay. So this will be connected to the power, this data connector. So it's just one splitter connected to the riser and the top to power it up. And then I just connect the riser cable that connects to the PCI slot, which goes like this. I'm gonna try to see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, that's it. I connect it. This one's all ready to go. Ready for me to connect. Alright guys, so that's it. I put all the brand new PNY 1660 supers here. I moved the one that was down there, up there. Just moved one of the cards that was up here, the 1080 I think it is, and moved it down here. Just one over here, just to even it out with these 1660 supers PNY ones. I just gotta get one PNY 1660 super, and I'll have all of these as PNY 66. Right now I have this MSI one for now till I get the other one for there. And I just have this one over here, which is the 1080. I'm gonna leave that one temporary there until I sell this one. I removed all of the other ones, they're down there. And I have another one up there, that's another 1080 there. But okay, so that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna crank this bad boy up here. Okay, looks like all the lights are on, I think, except one. Got a little issue there, so I gotta fix this one. One is not firing up there, so I gotta see what's up with that one. I think I left something out. All right, so I checked it out, see what was wrong. Actually, you see that little tiny, I don't know if you see that little white dotish right there, which is like the LED light there. Over here, it seems to be missing over here because it actually fired up, right? And then when I looked in between the graphic card, it looks like they might have placed it somewhere in the middle here or something like that, because I did see the green light somewhere coming off this cracker or something like that. But it was spinning and it lit up. So I'm just gonna put this one to the side and just put the one of these from the other one of the 1080s. But it does look like it's firing up because it started to spin and everything. But and I did see a light, but it wasn't. It seemed like it was coming from in the middle of here. I don't know, but I'll just put it on the side for now. Okay, so let's try that again. I don't think there was anything wrong with the other riser. It's just the lighting, the LED lighting was placed in a different spot. But let's see. All right, there you go. Looks like it's lighting up. Yep. Definitely working. So all of them are lighting up. Okay, fired it up. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's it for the video. So this is pretty much it's a little quieter now, and it should be able to get more mega hashes with these new ones. And that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. See ya. Peace.
Step up out the Rari and I pose like that I'm Ghost. The club is like the weatherman. Every corner nose is full of snow. Pills falling out the sky. I can feel my soul, yeah. Asking for my warmth, so sorry. Love, I be so cool, yeah. Every time I breathe, you can see the smoke.